morning, students. Yesterday we went through the pronouns, type of pronouns. In short, I just gave you the informations. Okay. Today we will be going through the types of pronouns. Okay. So the first one is personal pronoun. Okay. So which are the personal pronoun? As yesterday I told you, I, you, she, he, it, we, they, it stands for and replace persons or things. Okay? These are the personal pronouns, singular and plural, first person, second person and third person. Okay? So, it stands for and replace persons or things. Okay? For the persons, if we take I, you, she, he, we and they. But for things we use personal pronoun it. In this personal pronoun there are two parts. The first one is subjective and the other one is objective pronoun. The first one is subjective and other one is objective pronoun. So subjective, that play the role of a subject in a sentence. Okay, subjective pronouns play the role of subject in a sentence and objective pronoun play the role of an object of a preposition or a verb. Okay, it plays the role of an object of a preposition or a verb. Let us take an example of it. Santanu and Soma are friends. So, Santanu and Soma, both are the name of a person. It is a proper noun. Okay, Santanu and Soma, both are the name of a person and it is a proper noun. Friends is a common noun. Okay, he likes her very much. Who likes her very much? Santanu. Instead of Santanu, like here it is written, person stands for and replace. It stands for replace person. So here it has replaced. Santanu became the replaced by personal pronoun he. Santanu is replaced here by the personal pronoun he. Likes or who? Again he. He and her. See, it has replaced here very much. She is also very fond of him. Again, she and he. Now you must be thinking she and he and her. So these both are subjective pronoun. Okay, these both are subjective pronoun, which is placed in the place of a subject. Dear students, it is placed in the place of a subject. And her and him. Okay, her and him both are objective pronoun. Okay, they both are objective pronoun which stands. Okay, which is used in the place of an object of a preposition or a verb. Okay, clear? So, in the example, Santanu and Soma both are noun, a proper noun. Okay, and instead of Santanu is used here he. It has replaced a pronoun. Here also it has replaced a pronoun male, female. Okay, and her. Okay, it is an objective pronoun here. Okay, so we understood what is subjective, what is the difference between a subjective and objective pronoun. Okay, so subjective pronoun stands for or replace person or things. So here persons are replaced by using personal pronoun he and she. And second is an objective that plays the role of an object of a preposition or a verb. So here it has played a role of an object, her and he. Okay, and second one is about possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. These pronouns that is show the possession of belongings, our belongings. Okay, our belonging. For the example, let us take this watch. Dear students, let's take this watch. Okay, example. Now whose watch is this? Whose watch is this? It's mine. Okay, this watch is mine. My watch. My possession it is. Okay, so pronouns that show possession of belongings. Examples, my. So I becomes mine. We becomes ours. You becomes yours. He, his, her, she, hers, they, theirs. Okay. So here the possession which shows the possessions or the belongings used while referring the possession. Okay. For the example, let us take the example of this book. Whose book is this? Okay. Whose book is this? If it is lying anywhere, either in the classroom or on the desk, anywhere it is lying. Anybody can ask, whose book is this? So one who is the owner of this? It's mine. Okay? It's my book. So these are the possessive pronouns. In English, we can show two ways possessions or belonging. In two ways. Okay? Two ways we can show. What we can show? By using apostrophe s with noun and by using a possessive pronoun. By using apostrophe s with noun and by using a possessive pronoun. Here is an example. Visit is a friend of mine. See, here it is a possessive pronoun mine. Visit is a friend of mine. Sonal and Komal are my cousins. Sonal and Komal are my cousins. We come to school together by car. The car is theirs. We come to school by car. The car is theirs. Okay? Dear students, one more thing I would like to tell you. For the subjective and objective pronoun, a beautiful table is given. You can see here a beautiful table is given. Please go through the table and read it properly. Okay? And understand. Still, if you have any doubt, you can call me and ask me, or you can ask me in the Zoom session. Second thing, again the possessive pronoun table is given on page number 21. So, types of pronoun, personal pronouns. Please go through these details. Also, together with that, you have to write down these points with beautiful handwriting in your notebook. So, our next exercise is let's practice. Our next exercise is let's practice. So, dear students, go through the tables given about personal and objective pronoun and the table given about the possessive pronoun. Okay, let's practice. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate personal and possessive pronouns. Mention their incidents too. Okay, a small letter is given here. Swati is writing to Sam. Okay, Swati is writing to Sam this letter. Dear Swati, thank. So naturally we write thank. So we write thank you. Okay. So here we have to mention the incidents. Okay. So who is the incident? You. Okay. You have to write like this. For inviting, whom? Sam has invited whom? Huh? Sam has invited whom? Swati. For inviting me. Okay. Again we have to use here. Inviting me means whom he has invited. For inviting me. Okay. So, to your birthday next Sunday. A friend of mine is going to visit. Okay, a friend of mine is going to visit me next week. To whom is going to visit? Sam. Okay, inviting me. Here, Sam. With love, dear Swati, thank you. So Swati has invited the Sam, inviting me. So whom she is inviting? Sam. To your birthday next Sunday. A friend of mine. Whose friend? Sam's friend. Okay, is going to visit me. Okay, is going to visit me. Whom she is going to visit? Okay, to Sam. A friend of Sam is going to visit him. So who is answered here? Sam himself. Okay, so here we have to mention that. Here also you have to write in the bracket Sam. Here also you have to write Sam. Okay, next week. Is it okay if I bring my friend to your party? Okay, if I bring my friend to your party, I'm sure. Okay, I'm sure you will have. Okay, you will have lots of fun on your birthday. Have you invited that cousin of yours? Cousin of yours who plays the guitar. So Sam is asking to Swati whether have you invited the cousin of yours who plays the guitar. I would love. So Sam is telling. Here Sam is telling, I would love to listen to his guitar. I am really looking forward to this party of yours. Okay, to this party of yours. Okay, so in today's lecture we have completed personal and objective pronouns, as well as we have gone through the possessive pronoun. Okay, and we have completed a short letter Sam is writing to Swati. Okay, so please write down these everything in your notebook with a good and beautiful handwriting. Okay, with a good and beautiful handwriting you have to write in your textbook, as well as you have to complete it in your notebook. Have a good day and thank you to all.